Hello, my name is Jean Butterfield.
And my name is Don Blake.
We collaborated on writing a study based on our analysis of data collected from students who attend St. Petersburg College. The survey administered in the fall of 2018 was designed to collect student preferences related to suitable summer course schedules. From the survey respondent data, we focused our analysis on determining whether a correlation exists between a student's age and their likelihood to enroll in a summer class. We believe that if a student's age is an indicator of their likelihood to take a summer class, then this awareness can help SBC adopt promotional and scheduling strategies that align more closely with age-specific patterns of behaviors and norms. Prior to undertaking this study, we completed a cursory literature review to see whether other higher education institutions were also experiencing low summer class enrollment. We found that there were several institutions facing the same or similar dilemma.
For this study, our primary research question sought to find any statistically significant correlation between age and summer class enrollment. We formulated a null hypothesis that states no correlation exists between age and the likelihood of enrolling in a summer class. Our alternative hypothesis states that a correlation exists between age and summer class enrollment.
Our study's methodology comprises the following practices. 1. The survey was designed to collect quantitative data on student attitudes, behaviors, and demographics. 2. It comprised a mix of multiple choice, single and rank select, Likert scale, and open-ended questions to capture SPC students' preferences regarding summer class enrollment. 3. Data collection took place online using SPC's survey platform, ensuring convenience and security for student participants. 4. The survey link was distributed via email invitation through SPC's email system to students with a follow-up invitation sent after 2 weeks to boost response rates. And 5. The online format was chosen to facilitate higher participation rates due to its accessibility and reach within the sample population.
Survey item 4 asked respondents, how likely are you to take a class this summer? A structured survey method was used from which to gather quantitative data from a sample size of 3,094 students. Now, it's important to note that our sample constituted a convenient sample as all students are enrolled in a mandatory ethics class, with typically high attendance, providing a suitable context for survey administration. While convenient, this sampling method may limit our generalizability of our findings beyond this specific population. Yet, it allowed us to explore the relationship between students' likelihood to take a summer class and their age.
Survey item 4 asked respondents, how old are you? As the slide shows, the survey's small sample size of only 8.5% and the resulting distribution of Likert responses across the 5 age groups prompted us to collapse the groups from 17 and under through 41 and up into 2, 22 and younger, and 23 and older.
This table displays the results of our chi-squared test, examining the correlation between age group and the likelihood of taking a summer class. Our analysis yielded a chi-squared statistic of 4.56 with 4 degrees of freedom, indicating the strength of association between these variables. However, the p-value of 0.34 exceeds our predetermined alpha value of 0.05, leading us to fail to reject the null hypothesis. Thus, there is no statistically significant correlation between age group and the likelihood of class enrollment. This insight underscores the need for further investigation into additional factors influencing class enrollment decisions. This slide shows a graphical illustration of our chi-squared test using a distribution curve. It illustrates a probability density ranging from 0.000 to 0.175 on the y-axis, indicating the likelihood of observing different chi-squared values. On the x-axis, spanning from 0 to 12, the chi-squared values are shown representing the strength of association between age group and likelihood variables. Analyzing the shape and spread of this curve provides insights into the distribution of chi-squared values and the probability of encountering them. Here, in our study's distribution illustration, we see that the chi-squared statistic resulted in a p-value of 0.34. We can conclude from this value that there's a 34% chance that the variations we observe between age and likeliness to take a summer class could arise in a world where age has no bearing on the decision to take a summer class.
From the study, we proposed 3 key recommendations. 1. Consider enhancing the original survey by incorporating a broader set of questions. Questions might delve into factors such as societal norms surrounding summer classes, affordability, and student summer commitments or behaviors. Understanding these behaviors and norms is crucial, as they may likely influence enrollment patterns and perceptions about taking summer classes.
2. Consider a larger sample size in order to strengthen the robustness of future studies. A larger sample would enhance the reliability and generalizability of a study's findings, offering a clearer understanding of the relationship between age and summer class enrollment, or other age-related variables.
3. Consider conducting an in-depth literature review to gain insights into strategies that have been adopted by other institutions in their efforts to boost summer class enrollment and encourage student participation.
Drawing from existing research and best practices will enable St. Petersburg College to develop targeted interventions aimed at effectively promoting summer class enrollment. These recommendations aim to inform future research efforts and guide practical initiatives that may enhance and increase student engagement with summer classes at SPC.